So I left Tunnel Beach, and now I have a campground on my radar. I have absolutely no idea if there's going to be any availability. That's kind of the problem with doing the road trips that I do. There's a little bit of planning about where I want to go, but there's no reservations or anything like that that I ever make. So fingers crossed that where I'm going, there will be some availability. It's one of the cheaper places. Most of the other ones are upwards of, $40, $50, $60, $70. And even then, they don't allow my kind of camping. It's more RV camps, things like that. So fingers crossed. But I am actually heading into Astoria right now. And my son used to live here a few years ago. So my mom and I took a trip up here, and it's just another fishing-ish town. And if you're ever in this area up here in Astoria, this is where the Goonies was filmed. So when I was up here last time, we actually went to 3 of the filming locations, the houses, actually 4, because we also went to the Flavel house, which was really cool. So if you ever are in Astoria and you are a Goonies film buff, I definitely would recommend checking out all the filming locations. And when I left the Tunnel Beach area, it took me through Tillamook, and I don't know, shit. I guess that was a stop sign. I don't know. It took me through, no, it wasn't a stop sign. Okay, it wasn't a stop sign for me. It was for the people going the other direction. Anyways, it took me through Tillamook, and there was the town parade down the main street. So I ended up going way out of my way just to get back on track. So hopefully things will speed up a little bit, but yeah, I'm gonna try and find a camping spot.
When I think about yesterday, my oh my, my oh my, a kiss, and so I did.
So I found this nice little campground in Bay City, Washington, and it is $20. Campsites are pretty small, but that is okay. I am walking down the trail right now to the beach, and then I think once I check this out, about a quarter of a mile down the road, she was saying that there's a place called Rodessa Beach, and you can find agates and arrowheads over there. So I'm gonna check it out over here, and then I'm gonna go arrowhead hunting. I don't know what the likelihood is that I'll actually find one, but I've got some time to waste, and so I'm just gonna go dig around in the rocks. Oh wow. Nice little cove. Cool. All right, I'm gonna head back up and then head over to the other little beach area and do a little digging. So I came down to that other beach area that lady was telling me about, and I think there's agates pretty much all over the place. They're basically a form of quartz, I guess, and they're like a rusty color, and I see quite a few rusty colored rocks. Something like that, or this. So I wonder if these both are agates, or even like that one. And as you can tell, they are quite prolific here, so that's cool, but I don't know how one would find arrowheads. Where would those be? I don't imagine they would be on the shoreline. I think they would more or less be closer to the rocks, but I don't know. I probably won't have any luck finding those. But the agates are everywhere, and can't quite beat the scenery, so no complaints here. I'm gonna walk around for a little while, pick up some useless rocks, and then head back over to my camp spot and sort of decompress and enjoy a nice fire, because it is perfect weather for a fire, and enjoy my day here in Washington, or my evening rather. Wah, wah, wah. The other one I did, I skipped one skip. Let's try another one. Okay. A two skip. I got a two skip. All right, I just wanted to show really quick what I got from my rock hunting. The mosquitoes are like the size of cats and they're everywhere, so I definitely am going to be needing to get bug sprayed up really quick. But I just want to show some of the things that I picked up. I got this. I thought that would make a really cool gift or memento of my trip for one of my girls. I'd like to find more like this, but I found this one also. So like little necklaces or something. And then these are all the rocks that I got. I think all of like these ones are all agates. I don't know if that one is. I got that one at Tunnel Beach. But I'm not sure if these are all agates. I think so. Not 100% sure, but I got a bunch of those. I got this purple little shell thing here. I got that at Tunnel Beach as well. And then this green. And I did get some sea glass, just because sea glass is cool. It's basically just broken glass that has been worn down and smoothed out from years of just being, I don't even know how long, but from just being polished in the ocean. And it washes on shore. So that's that. Not super sure what this is, but I think I got this over at Tunnel Beach as well. That's a cool rock though. It's kind of like greenish blue. And then this rock. So that is all of the things that I got today on my rock hunting. It is very wet at this campground, so I think mosquitoes are definitely going to be a problem. I think maybe if I start a fire, they'll go away. I don't know, but I definitely need to get sprayed. So I'm going to spray myself and then probably just start a little fire and relax.